So, for following this video you're required to read the OMG post by Joey. What Ubuntu basically did, is to add some options to switch Yara theme variant directly from Appearance panel and settings. I'm not sure if Ubuntu hates AdWeta that much, or they're doing it for branding purposes, which makes none sense anyway because GNOME is in their project. What I do know is that they're forcing developers to test on 2 themes, and of course users can't give feedback on visuals, because the app developers don't fully control the look of their own apps, as it happens in Elementary for example, and it pays off so nicely for them. Anyway, so I went to Control Center on Launchpad, and I applied this patch on Settings Master to my Fedora, and right now I'm going to open GNOME settings to show you what it does. Oh, first of all we have some recent changes on background selections. For start we have a single background both for lock and inside screens, which makes perfect sense because of the deep blur on lock. And eat some spam to my favorite GNOME animation! Anyway, back on track with my super password, and the second change is we can now set or remove a wallpaper with a single click, without that popover we had before. Okay, now to the Appearance panel that is downstream Ubuntu patches. So, according to typical Ubuntu ego tactics, that panel only supports Yara theme, and I had to modify the source code for kinda supporting AdWeta. Seriously? They could at least support GNOME official theme. Also remember that Yara has 3 variants while AdWeta has only 2. The light option that everything is using light theme. The standard option that is a mix of light and dark theme depending the app. And the dark option that everything goes dark. Aside my previous critics to Ubuntu, I like what they did here, and I believe GNOME should do the same. Now if we had some accents colors to pick from, everything would be so much better. Anyway, this video is done, thank you for watching and all those, and don't forget to put a like, or we'll hunt you down, we'll find you wherever you are, and we'll skin you alive!